Where can I find my tire expiration date? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So let me start by saying tires don't have an expiration date. Tires have a manufacturer date. And it's on one side of the tire, so it depends on whether the tire's mounted with that number on the outside or the inside, as whether you can see it or not. But what you're looking for is the letters DOT for Department of Transportation. And then there will be a bunch of other codes. And then typically you'll have an oval, and in that oval is going to be a 4-digit code. So this particular one is 2923. That means it's the 29th week of 2023. So as far as expiration goes, the United States is not in agreement on it, but Europe says they can't sell anything that's older than 6 years old. At least that's my understanding. My personal thing is, if I have someone I love, I will not let them drive on a tire that's over 8 years old. But at 6 years, I start to look at it pretty closely. So tire tread is one thing, but age is another, especially when it's here in the desert and it's 110 degrees out. We don't want to be driving on old tires. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.